Hello everyone, welcome back. We're doing an SRT group clearing on fatigue, something we can all identify with from time to time. So set your intention to receive the benefits of this clearing and make sure you're 100% open to receiving the healing from it, and let's get stuck in. So here we go, we're doing fatigue. So it's at 0 positive, 100 negative, and in terms of consciousness, spirit status again, which is 1 above incarnation level. So I'm just going to get your teams, your high self teams, to do initial clearing on this for your highest good. Clearing away anything that's causing fatigue. Give you all sorts of reasons for fatigue there, but anything that we can clear with this system, we are going to be able to do. Okay. Chart 5 it's taking me to. So blocks, interference, negative motivations. We have an imprint of brain damage. Imprints are strongly held beliefs. So let's just clear all those imprints at all levels of consciousness in chart 3 away of brain damage. And that's usually a perception that's created at birth or in the womb, picking up on the thoughts or words spoken of people in the birthing team, or even the mother, or even the father. If we don't get this baby out now, he's going to die, or the mother's going to be incredibly tired. You know, you're going to be incredibly tired after birth. You know, you're going to be incredibly tired all the time if you're not careful. You know, it's things like that. So it's a strongly held belief and imprinted brain damage. Sometimes it comes from other lifetimes. If you've had challenges in connection with the brain in other lifetimes, then it can still be a carry on from that, a hangover thing from that. Right, anything else in this chart? Anything on the inside and outside? We've got self-punishment going on. Anything else? Let's just clear all negative motivations of self-punishment from you as well. So it could be an element of sabotage there. This is why we need to check that we're 100% open to receiving healing as well, because sometimes we're only letting a very small amount in. I checked myself earlier and I was only 40% open to receiving healing, and I always check before I do any clearings and healings myself. So probably because I've got some self-punishment that had come up in the meantime, which had triggered that, and so I was able to clear it. And if you want to know how to test yourself, I have a muscle testing video somewhere amongst my videos, and also there is an SRT clearing, a short one for a quickie for clearing it up to 100% on the SRT playlist. Right, chart 6B, which is blocks to positive expression. Inside left, blocks to gentleness, outside left, blocks to strength. Anything else? Let's clear those blocks away. Yes, fatigue is often caused by our conditioning. We're conditioned. You must work hard if you're going to be successful. I mustn't stop or I'll be lazy, considered lazy. And that all comes from sort of childhood conditioning, really, whether it's on the TV, whether it's our parents, our social network, or even ancestrally inherited. We don't really do enough self-care. So listen to your body. It's always a good thing. Still on 6B, so they won't move me away if there's more to clear on it. So let's have a look. Inside left, Generosity, inside left. Enthusiasm. Let's clear those blocks of generosity and enthusiasm as well. At all levels of consciousness, and chart 3 for your highest good. Okay, 10A, 10B looks like. We have etheric body that's out of balance at this level, so let's just rebalance the etheric body. So in programs created by spirit, which is chart 10B, those of you that have had personal clearings for me notice that this one often comes up, and this is the first line of programming, so it's the most significant, if you like. If something's not clearing, then it's always wise to check this chart, because this is where the first major programs come from. Right, okay. Chart 11, which is soul energy programming. Pre-programming, okay. Don't think we need to research that. So let's just clear all pre-programming at Lord of Lords level of consciousness from you, which is the first expression of the living soul. Can you see the charts all right? Hopefully. Instead of all my scribbles, and these are well-used charts, these ones. I'm doing clearings every day, so along with my other work, which is one-to-one Zoom sessions. So do check out all the details. My website's about to be redone. I have a new photo shoot being done. I've just had my logo redone, so just got to write the website and get the photos redone, and then like so many people, I am transforming quite a bit at the moment as well. There's a lot of transformation going on with people. Spirit energy programming. We have a codependency of spirit on God, potential dysfunction of spiritual consciousness by God, and pre-programmed spirit by God. We're just going to get those cleared from you. Not going into any details because it's a group clearing. Obviously, personal clearings go to a much deeper depth, and more questions are asked, and we go through all the energy bodies as well. I did promise a while back I'm going to do some live clearings, and I am. I've got a few days away in Cornwall coming up shortly, so when I come back from that, I will start setting them up. They're likely to be a Monday night, probably going to be a Monday evening UK time, so but I might do some spontaneous ones as well. Right, 18, which is higher level blocks, and this is where the Lords of Karma sit. So if we're brought here, it's usually means that we can release that karma. Beings of God consciousness level blocking, so let's clear those away. Always a good sign to come to this chart. It's like a cycle closing, karmic cycle. Okay, that's good. Chart 25, final assurance. Final issues. Things that are hidden, buried, or covered up. I'm not going to investigate anything there. I'm just going to ask that it's all cleared. Again, for your highest good. So some people get big reactions to the healings. Some people don't feel anything. They always work, but it all depends on A, your level of sensitivity, B, how many layers you've got in a particular area that we're looking at, as to how much effect it has. Some have huge changes. I've experienced them myself, like really cathartic, oh my God, you know, what a difference, to I don't feel any difference whatsoever. But they always work. They always work. It's just we don't know how many layers we're clearing we've got to clear. We don't know how many emotions are attached to some of these programs as well. And obviously the level of sensitivity. I mean, I can feel them all now. My level of sensitivity is such that I can feel very subtle differences. And some people are more sensitive than I am and can really feel everything. Right, let's see. Chart 29, which is Final Blessing. Anything on the inside? First draft, that's come up many times, a bit like plans for a house, except it's for the soul. So let's just clear that away. Spirit, clear that, please. And these clearings seem to be getting shorter and shorter, which is a really good sign, I think. The bulk of the clearing is always done in the mop-up process. Okay, all done. Are we ready to go to mop-up? So this is only a very quick taste of a clearing, really group clearing. So let's just go to mop-up, where the bulk of the clearing takes place by the teams on the other side of life. They have about 200 plus charts. I normally read them a long list of instructions. This is where they're clearing away all the programs that we don't need to know about, all the so-called blockages, allowing the energy to flow freely around our energy bodies. Also clear away any future self-sabotaging, please. Closing any portals that need to be closed. Clearing any echoes, residue, shadows, seeds that's still remaining as well. Ensuring people are 100% in full alignment, please, for abundance of energy. Right, okay, are we done? Are we done? Yep. Okay, high self team's happy, soul's happy. Yeah, will it hold for people? Yep. And so as we close the Akashic records, we remeasure original measurement, 100 positive. It says zero negative, but it's on the line. I'm not happy with that, so I just want to see if there's anything else. And I'm taken to, so I was thinking 9B, it looks like, which is food, diet, health, or well-being. Anything on the inside? We have a block to positive emotions. Is there another block? Okay, for the purpose of the group clearing, do we need to research this block? Now, are you able to just clear it for everybody? Okay, normally we'd have to research that. So let's clear all blocks to positive emotions there under this chart for everybody there. Okay, what percentage is that cleared? Okay. Is there anything else to do now? Any other business? Doesn't seem like it. See the Akashic records. 100 positive, 0 negative. That's much better. It feels lighter too. That's radiant love, new paradigm, level of consciousness. Wonderful. So another one done, and drink plenty of water. Allow 3 clear days in between each clearing. But if you are doing these group clearings, I wouldn't do more than 2 a day, to be honest, just so you allow all the integration fully into the physical body, and then take it from there. Always worth asking for some proof from the universe, you know, like show me universe that this has worked, give me a sign universe that this has worked. And only need to say it once, and there might be a van that drives past with energy drinks on the side of it, or something happens, or something comes into your awareness all of a sudden that's about energy or enthusiasm, or something that's, you know, not fatigue related. So it's worth doing that. It's always good getting proof, if you like, because it develops your awareness more and more. So you start to become more aware of more things the more you do that, like exercising a muscle, really. Anyway, have a lovely day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.